Hello. Yeah, we're doing a llama opening video. We're gonna open some llamas. Yeah. It's gonna... Or should we open them like this? Hopefully we'll get some good loot. Yeah. Also, we're doing some Apex Legends packs opening, only 4 though, big sad. So, hope to see you there. Okay, let's start opening. Let's start opening the 19 llamas. I'm gonna put in a 20th llama, just saying. Okay, start off. X. Open all.
Yo, what's up?
Bam. What do I get from this mini boy?
I exploded.
Trash. Thanks for the trash, man. Such trash. Okay. E. What do I get from me, boy? Ooh, choice. Upgrade or copper vacuum tube shotgun. Shotgun. Yes. I'm gonna beat you to death. Bam. Get beat to death. Okay, traps. Trash. Trash. Ooh, choice. Choice. What? Vacuum tube rifle, vacuum tube axe. Comment down below which one I should have chose, because I'm gonna choose the tube rifle. Hopefully it was a good pick. Common? No, I want a jackpotty boy. Just want a good... Ooh! I got a vacuum tube sniper. And it was a legendary boy. Yes. Happy holidays. I don't want trash. I don't want trash. Stop giving me trash. Lightning pistol. I like lightning and I like pistols, so it's fair. Bam. Hey, I got a vacuum tube pistol. Huh. Good choice, I didn't pick that. Wait, no, I did. Aww. Wait, did I? No, I picked... Wait, I don't know. I wanted a legendary boy. Sword, because I already have a legendary boy of that. Oh yeah, next one. Die. I wonder if I have any more Christmas llamas. Yes, I do. You sound like an old man. I know, I just did. So you looked like you had some good shock specialists. Ooh. Aw. No, you die. Ha ha ha. Yes, happy holidays. Yes. Skip. Ooh. I'm getting so many epic choices. I have to do the launcher because I already have the other one, and it's cool. It just launches vacuum tubes. Tubes of vacuum. Oh, it's a super. It's just people llama. Okay, give me something good from Yeet. Woohoo, blue. Epic! Epic! Epicness! Now you die, cause you're a trashy boy. Ooh, yay! Oh, okay, it's just silver. Big sad. Hey, I got some of that. My troll stash. Yay. Ray Blazer AC. Nope, you're going in the recycling bin. No, you collection book. Okay. Epic. Legendary. Epic. I'll take a legendary vacuum tube rifle. Epic. Yeet. No, that was good. That was good loot. Ooh. Ah, nice. Okay, epic boy. Ooh, legendary boy. Aw. You're trash, kid. Give me my lootations. Hey. Best for last, hopefully. Yes, green, blue, blue, blue. Epic. Epic. I'll take the sniper because I already have one of those. Epic. Epic. Aww. Hey. Should have looked through this stuff.
What's happening? What? I was hungry.
Okay. Okay. Next we open this. Okay, now let's buy this upgrade llama. Bing. Boong. Pow. Oh yes. Yes. Guardian Bull, I'm not gonna use him ever. Okay. Now after that,
Don't tell me what's inside. I want it to be a surprise.
let's go and open some Apex loot boxes. Okay, let's open these Apex packs now. 4 of them, yes. I know, I wanted to make it 5, but yeah, I'll have to level up a little more, and it'll be a while, so yeah. So let's just open it. Yeah. Meow 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 meow. Nice. Crafting metals. Okay. That boy looks good. I'll equip to that. Let's open another Apex pack. Ooh.
The pleasure is all yours. The pleasure is all yours.
Sure, why not? Okay. The weapon skin for the Coral Reef weapon skin. Nice. Midnight weapon skin for the Mastiff. Yep. Another pack.
fight.
Nah. More crafting materials. Need to learn how I like. One more pack. Ooh, an epic. Epic. Yes, please. Looks good. That looks good. Sure, why not? Okay. Aha. This is one nice boy. Okay. Hope that I enjoy. See you in next one. Goodbye. Bye of the good.